Possibility of rotten plywood underneath this pipe boot right here. I definitely feel like there's rotten plywood. Good possibility of a leak on the inside. This is another pipe boot that is probably susceptible possibly to some rotten plywood being right there at the bottom. Obviously you have lots of moss growing on the roof over here, and of course that's never a good thing. Some rotten wood here at your fascia. I believe it's starting to happen on both sides. You have 2 missing shingle tabs. There's a little bit of damage here on the outside edge. When the roof is replaced, these fascia boards are going to have to be replaced with them because they're starting to get damaged. They're old.